Welcome to Chart Detective. In today's presentation, we'll be looking at Applied Materials, ticker symbol AMAT. As always, we'll begin by looking at the performance of the stock for the past year, which was 2024. And we see that the stock went up by as much as 70% all the way till mid-July, where it reached an all-time high at about $257. But the bears stepped in and dragged the price down by roughly 42% to close 2024 at $100.63. And the stock was up by only 10% for 2024. Now let's look to see how the stock has been performing so far in 2025. Initially, price went up steeply by 22%, and then price starts to go down by 28% till the close of Friday to $145, where we have a 52-week low. So far for 2025, the stock is down by about 10%. Now let's look at the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, to see what it's telling us. So if we look at the price at the beginning of March till today, we see it's trending downward. However, if we look at the RSI from the beginning of March until today, even though the stock made a 52-week low, we can see that the RSI is not trending down, it's trending upward. Therefore, we have a divergence between the price and the RSI, because price is trending down and the RSI is moving upward. So we think the trend might be reversing as a result of that. Now, if we look at the price in mid-January at $200, where we see the formation of this candle, which was a rejection of the bullish movement that was happening before, we have a lower high below it and another one. In mid-March, we have another lower high. We see the price is trending downward, but we have a steep downtrend line connecting those lower high. Now, if we go back all the way in May, let's look at the lower lows. In August, another lower low. Early March, another lower low, and as of the close of Friday, we have another lower low where the price made a 52-week low. So if we connect all of these lines, we have this support line and we have the formation of this pattern right here, which is a falling wedge bullish pattern. So this is bullish. Even though the stock is trending downward, we have a bullish pattern being formed here. So what do we expect to happen? Even though price could still go down because we are in a downtrend, but we think this is not likely. Right? So price could still move down, but we don't think this is likely. We think price is likely to move higher and break that resistance to move up by about 10% to $158, where we would encounter resistance right there. Alright, this is all we have for you for today.